Welcome, dear friends, to a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Today, we delve into the realm of emotional intelligence, the art of understanding and managing our emotions to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Join me as we explore 15 practical tips to cultivate emotional intelligence and unlock the keys to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Self-awareness. This foundational skill involves recognizing and understanding your own emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. Practice self-reflection and introspection to gain insight into your inner world. Pay attention to your emotional triggers, patterns, and tendencies, and learn to label and acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Self-regulation. Once you're aware of your emotions, it's important to regulate them effectively. Develop strategies for managing stress, anxiety, anger, and other intense emotions. Techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation can help you stay calm and centered in challenging situations. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Practice active listening and try to see things from their perspective. Show empathy by offering support, validation, and understanding, even if you don't agree with their point of view. Active listening. Effective communication begins with listening. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to the speaker, making eye contact, and paraphrasing their words to ensure understanding. Avoid interrupting or formulating your response while they're speaking. Assertiveness. Assertiveness involves expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs in a clear, honest, and respectful manner. Use I statements to communicate your perspective and set boundaries when necessary. Assertiveness allows you to stand up for yourself while maintaining respect for others. Adaptability. Life is full of changes and unexpected challenges. Cultivate adaptability by embracing change with flexibility and openness. Develop a growth mindset that sees obstacles as opportunities for learning and growth rather than setbacks. Resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and setbacks. Build resilience by cultivating a positive outlook, focusing on solutions rather than problems, and seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals when needed. Mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment. Practice mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindful movement to calm your mind and reduce stress. Cultivating mindfulness can enhance your emotional awareness and regulation. Emotional expression. Expressing your emotions in healthy ways is essential for emotional well-being. Find outlets for emotional expression, such as journaling, art, music, or talking to a trusted friend or therapist. Allow yourself to feel and express your emotions authentically without judgment or suppression. Conflict resolution. Conflict is a natural part of human relationships. Resolve conflicts constructively by listening actively, seeking common ground, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. Focus on communication, compromise, and collaboration rather than winning or being right. Gratitude. Cultivating gratitude involves acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life, big and small. Keep a gratitude journal. Practice mindfulness of gratitude and express your appreciation to others regularly. Gratitude can foster positive emotions and improve overall well-being. Self-care. Prioritize self-care by taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Make time for activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul, such as exercise, healthy eating, rest, and relaxation. Self-care is essential for replenishing your energy reserves and preventing burnout. Boundary setting. Establishing healthy boundaries is crucial for protecting your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Communicate your boundaries clearly and assertively, and enforce them consistently. Setting boundaries allows you to maintain healthy relationships and prevent feelings of resentment or overwhelm. Positive self-talk. Your inner dialogue can greatly impact your emotions and self-esteem. Cultivate a positive inner dialogue by challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with affirming and empowering statements. Practice self-compassion and self-acceptance and treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Lifelong learning. Embrace a growth mindset by seeking opportunities for learning and personal development. Stay curious, open-minded, and humble, and be willing to learn from your experiences and the wisdom of others. Lifelong learning fosters personal growth, adaptability, and resilience. Take a moment to reflect on these practical tips for developing emotional intelligence. Embrace them with an open heart and mind, and incorporate them into your daily life with intention and commitment. With practice and perseverance, you can cultivate emotional intelligence and unlock the keys to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to master emotional intelligence and unlock the keys to personal growth. I hope you found value in the 15 practical tips shared in today's video. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please consider hitting the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep striving for personal growth. See you in the next video.